final recipe. Yay! We're making a raw vegan chocolate with no coconut butter and no coconut oil. So it's much lower in the cholesterol, okay? So amazing, delicious chocolate. So let's put 2 cups of walnuts. You can use any nuts of your choice, but I use walnut because they're very, very oily. And I'm going to make it into a butter first. Soon it's going to be start folding down, and that's how you know it's ready. Becomes really oily and falls down. So we wait for that to happen. And here it is. You can see it turned into butter. I'm going to open that, and to that I'm going to add a half a cup of hemp seeds and 3/4 cup of cacao and stevia. I really like the green stevia. You can buy the green powder stevia online on Amazon. That's my preferred stevia. Stevia has 0 sugar, so I really highly recommend to start using that. Unfortunately, I don't have the green stevia, so I'm going to use this stevia right here. And this stevia, it's with vanilla. So if you don't have that one, the best things to use is the green stevia with a half a teaspoon of vanilla powder, and you get yourself a wonderful chocolate. And remember, with chocolate, you can make it into so many different flavors. You can have ginger chocolate, you can have mint chocolate, cayenne chocolate. It's endless. Put whatever you like inside and make it the same way. It's fabulous. So I think I have enough stevia there. And of course, you can make it as sweet as you like or unsweetened. I'm going to open and turn it a little bit. There we go. And it takes quite a while to get it to a paste. But as soon as it's turned into a ball, you can see it. It's become like a ball, and that's mean that it's ready. Here it is. There is the ball. Beautiful. And here is our chocolate. Look how beautiful it is. And it's delicious too. So now you have options. You can either scoop it and put it in those little cups. You can take a scoop and just put it in the cup. Or to make it easier on yourself, you can put it on the board and cut it into squares so you don't have to work so hard. Let me taste a little bit. Incredible. Ridiculously good. Never buy chocolate again when you can make your own. So good, it's amazing. So we put it right here. I'm going to put gloves for this one. So I don't want to get my hand all dirty with chocolate. So here we go. And I'm going to shape it into a square. Or you can even make balls out of it and dip the balls into cacao powder or some chopped nuts. So all we want to do now is just cut it into squares. And you can always cut the end part if they're not exactly straight out. And then cut it into squares. Depends on the size that you want. Just like that. Or you can freeze it first for like 10 minutes. And then cut it. It would be a lot easier. See? And then you do the same thing on this side. And After 10 minutes in the freezer, you can separate all the squares. Look how beautiful. It's absolutely amazing. Delicious. Enjoy it.